Alright, I want to show you this sliding door and or standing door locking bar mechanism. You see I've got it installed and fully put together. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me. It will lock into a door just like this, so that like when it's on there, people from the other side can't open it up. Now let's jump in, show you exactly what it looks like and how it goes together. And so this locking door came in this box with a few pieces. It's got this plug here. So anyway, you can take this end off. So now we're going to change the mode to go into locking a screen door or something like that. Here's a locking pin, an extra security pin. Here's an adjustment. You just push that bar and you adjust it longer or shorter. On this piece, that door piece is slid on there because you need it to be longer. I think I could take that off if I really needed to, but I want to put this little plastic cover on there. You can see there's also another adjustment here in the middle, so all these pieces come apart. But then for a sliding screen door or a window, either way, you could adjust it and put it inside the door like that, and then put a safety security pin in it as well. So I'm excited about this. It's compact, basically going to be easy to use and completely adjustable for any screen door or any standing door like this one, or any sliding glass door, patio door, that kind of thing. So those are the pieces, parts. You can get it in black or white. I happen to get the black one. It looks good. It's powder coated. It's all metal, nice and strong. Once again, I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me. I'm excited to go use it. And we'll go. All right, here you can see we've got this bar set up in the window. Pretty darn easy to configure. There's a security pin here. It's completely adjustable. You can move it around for whatever size window you need. It's also configurable with this stand. You can put that up against the window, adjust it like that, and it will go in the window and lock in the window like that. I think I need to go one more piece. Like that, and then it would lock right down the window depending on your configuration. It was easy to take apart. I just took this piece off. They just quick like this, screw together. So once again, for a window, a sliding door, a patio door, whatever, a product like this is something that you don't think about too much, but once you have it, you have better security in your house and easy to configure.